Finally, we are going to start using our Redux with React. Until now, in isolation, we have learned all the major concept of Redux. Same concept we are going to apply and we are going to start using Redux inside React. And we already know React is nothing but it is a UI library and Redux is nothing but it is a state management library. And they both are complete standalone library and they can be worked independently. But Redux is widely used with React and Redux can be used with JavaScript frameworks like Angular and Vue.js. But now we are going to see how to use Redux inside React. So both are independent library. So to bind both this library, we are going to use this React Redux package. And it is an official Redux UI binding for React. So using this React Redux package, we can easily connect Redux with React and we can start with using the concept of Redux inside React. React is complete different library, Redux is complete different library, and to combine both the libraries and use inside the application, we have to use this React Redux package. And this React Redux package offers couple of functions which will help us to connect our React application with Redux. Now, if you have this understanding, let us start with a setup. I have created React Redux folder. Right click, open with code. Inside this, first I will start with creating my React app. Open terminal. Inside this, I will write npx create hyphen react hyphen app. I will give the app name as React Redux. It will take some time to install all the necessary packages. So I'm just going to fast forward this video. Successfully, I have created my React app. Now first thing, I will come inside this folder. I will copy this command and here I will be pasting, hit enter. Now I am inside this React Redux folder. Before starting my app, second package what I want to install is Redux. Why? Because we are starting Redux inside React. So here I will write npm I redux. I stands for install. Hit enter. Now successfully package is installed. I will open. I will come to package.json and inside this dependencies you can see Redux will be added and Redux 5.0.1 version is added. If you're watching this course in future, then might be this version number will be changed. Next, what we just want to bind React and Redux. So for that, we are going to install React Redux package. So here I will write npm I react-redux. So this is the official UI binding using which we can connect React and Redux. I will hit enter. Again, inside this package.json, we have this React Redux package. So it is very important whenever you install some package, just cross verify and check if it is added inside this dependency or not. Now second, I'm just going to clean this folder structure. Inside this public, I only want index.html. I do not want any file. I will just select all the files, click on delete. And inside this src, I do not want this file. So whatever files I am selecting, just select and delete all the files. And also, I do not want this package log.json. Successfully, I have cleaned the folder structure. And inside this app.js, I will remove this import. I will remove this entire thing. Instead, I will just write h1 and here I will write hello world. I will come to index.js. From here, I will just clean entire thing. Remove this import. But here inside src, I want app.css. Now I will open terminal. Inside this, I will write npm start. Hit enter. Successfully, I am able to open this React app. So what I will do, first inside this src, I will be creating one components folder, and inside this I will create pizzabox.js. I will start with my functional component RFCE. Using that snippet, we can create the structure of function component. And for this, I will add the class name is equal to container. I'm just doing basic setup of our application. Below this, I will write h2, and for this, I will give the class as text. Inside this, I will write number of pizza base available, and default value I will give as 100. Below that, I will be creating button, and for this, I will give the class as btn. And here I will write order pizza. Now I will come inside this app.js. I will remove h1. In place of this, I am just going to render my pizza box. I will hit enter. Successfully, pizza box will be imported from components folder. And inside app.css, I am just going to paste basic styling. Even if you don't give this styling, that's fine. Only thing, we are going to understand how to use Redux inside React. So now this will be the output. Our pizza box is rendered, and here I am having h2 and default value is 100, and here I am having button order pizza. So successfully we have completed React Redux setup, and also we have created our first component.